everyone, welcome back to another unboxing, my fellow shoppers. Today we're checking out WOLFANG's action camera. This is the GA100. This camera is great for out in the wild. Perfect for catching those cute little critters. And even the big little critters. And even the small little micro critters. So, of course, we did some video editing for the camera, but it's a good action camera. So let's show you guys what you get. You get some quick start guide and a manual. They give you dual batteries, so that's pretty awesome for non-stop recording. They give you this waterproof case. So this is 4K HD. So very nice waterproof case. And you can actually mount this case as well. All your buttons right here on the sides. Easy access. To take this off, you go ahead and pull this to the side and then you pull on the front. A little hard to do with one hand. So this is what it looks like. Overall, a nice looking little action camera. Good for different events. Let's go ahead and see some accessories that you get. So you get a ton of different accessories. Obviously, we can't go over every single one. We'll be here for a couple hours, but a microphone. You get a remote control, cleaning cloth, tripod adapters, charging cables, everything you need for mounting. So your battery goes right in here. You just push that down, pull back. And then on the other side, in here, your TF card goes.